Our favorite upgraded gaming headset is $20 off. Discover the Razer Black Shark V3 Pro gaming headset. Now $20 off This premium model delivers exceptional noise cancelling and immersive spatial audio. Perfect for gamers seeking an elevated experience. Upgrade your setup today. Everything announced at MWC 2026. Lenovo's Wild Foldable Gaming Handheld, Honor's Robot Phone, and more. MWC 2026 unveiled groundbreaking tech. Lenovo's foldable gaming handheld, Honor's futuristic robot phone, and innovative devices reshaping mobile experiences. A must-read for tech enthusiasts. Lenovo's latest wacky concepts include a laptop with a built-in portable monitor. Lenovo stunned crowds at MWC 2026 with futuristic tech, including a yoga book featuring dual 3D screens and a foldable Legion Go Fold. A gaming handheld that transforms into a mini laptop. Innovation meets portability in these bold new concepts. Lenovo's latest gaming tablet goes big on battery. Lenovo unveils its newest gaming tablet, Legion Go, boasting a massive 10,000 mAh battery for extended gaming sessions. Packed with high-performance specs, it targets mobile gamers seeking power and endurance. A must-watch for tech enthusiasts. The Lenovo Legion Go Fold gaming handheld concept looks awkward, but its versatility is endless. Lenovo's Legion Go Fold gaming handheld concept defies conventional design with its foldable form, yet promises unmatched versatility. From gaming to productivity, this device could redefine portable tech. Though its awkward look sparks debate. A bold leap into the future of handhelds. Alaska could be the next state to crack down on AI-generated CSAM and restrict kids' social media use. Alaska is poised to become the latest state to enforce stricter regulations on AI-generated child sexual abuse material, CSAM, and limit minors' access to social media platforms. The move aims to enhance online safety for children amid growing concerns over digital threats. The best laptop cooling pad and why you should buy one. Not all laptop cooling pads are equal. Discover how the right one can extend your gaming laptop's lifespan and keep performance peak. Expert picks and key benefits revealed. Everyone speaks incel now. From niche forums to mainstream social media. Incel slang like looks maxing and mogged has exploded into everyday discourse, sparking debate over online culture's evolving toxicity. Scientists learn that bed bugs have a kryptonite that makes them surprisingly easy to defeat. Earth.com. University of California Riverside researchers discovered that bed bugs avoid water, as it obstructs their breathing. This makes the pest surprisingly easy to defeat. The discovery could lead to more effective and eco-friendly pest control methods. Most frightening experience of my life. Texas woman attacked by rabid fox amid Hays County. Rabies outbreak, Yahoo! A Texas woman in Hays County is recovering from a rabid fox attack. Described as the most frightening experience of her life. This incident occurs amid a rabies outbreak in the county, prompting warnings from the Texas Department of State Health Services, DSHS. Residents are urged to take precautions and report any potentially rabid animals. Living at high altitude may have a surprising impact on diabetes risk, Science Alert. A new study explores the link between living at high altitudes and a lower risk of diabetes. While past research established this correlation, the current study delves into the reasons behind it. potentially uncovering new insights into diabetes prevention and management related to altitude. Measles is worse than expected in Utah. Officials say, NBC News. A measles outbreak in southern Utah, ongoing since last summer, is reportedly spreading, concerning health officials who state the situation is worse than expected. The outbreak indicates a wider spread of the highly contagious disease within the community. Bird flu rips through another beloved Bay Area species, SFG-18. A study reveals a concerning multi-year bird flu epidemic impacting peregrine falcons in the Bay Area. While the situation is dire, the research offers some hope for the recovery of this iconic species. The study highlights the devastating effects of avian influenza on local wildlife. This simple habit you already love can melt anxiety and stress. MindBody Green. A MindBody Green article suggests that a common, enjoyable habit can reduce anxiety and stress, implying that a 10-minute music playlist may not be sufficient for significant relief. The article hints at a more effective, simple habit the reader likely already engages in. Lipid metabolism drives dietary effects on T-cell ferroptosis and immunity, Nature. This Nature article discusses how lipid metabolism impacts T-cell ferroptosis and immunity. The balance between polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids affects T-cell susceptibility to ferroptosis in both mice and humans. The study highlights the critical role of diet and lipid metabolism in modulating T-cell functionality. A glucocorticoid FUS axis controls immune evasion during metastatic seeding, Nature. Glucocorticoid receptor activation is a key driver of resistance of triple-negative breast cancer to both CD8+ T cells and natural killer cells in NBSP during initial metastatic seeding. Chronic wasting disease found in deer across more parts of Utah, KSL.com. Chronic wasting disease, a transmissible neurological illness impacting deer, elk, and moose, is spreading in Utah. Wildlife officials are concerned as the disease has been detected in more regions of the state. The spread poses a threat to the health and population of these big game animals. Rectal cancer rates are rising in US, driving an increase in illness in younger adults, NBC News. A recent American Cancer Society report indicates a rise in rectal cancer rates, contributing to increased colorectal cancer diagnosis among individuals under 65 in the US. This trend highlights a concerning shift in the demographic affected by these cancers, warranting further research and preventative measures. A virus that isn't COVID or the flu is pummeling Northern California, SFG-18. A virus, identified as human metapneumovirus, HMPV, is currently spreading rapidly in Northern California, specifically within the Bay Area. Data from wastewater SCAN indicates elevated concentrations of HMPV in several towns, signaling a significant presence of the virus distinct from COVID-19 or influenza. Researchers reveal massive underwater graveyard linked to US officials. These have unforeseen long-term consequences. Yahoo! Researchers discovered a massive underwater graveyard, potentially linked to US officials. The discovery raises concerns about unforeseen long-term consequences. The researchers indicate the need to explore other factors that may have contributed to the underwater mass deposition event. The study highlights potential environmental impacts from past events.